My friend got his new dog. You know it. Ha! Hit! My friend got his new dog. Look at it. Just take a. What you doing, boy?
He's
Right from my
smelling.
screen.
He's smelling.
Look at him. Look at him. He cute. He cute. Put him down. Put that nigga down. I said put him down. Look. Look at that. Look at that right there. See? That's how you know it's a boy.
It's okay. It's good. Okay.
See, look at it. It's cute.
Come on.
It's cute. It's skinny too. Look at it.
Guess what I called him?
What? Francisco.
Yeah.
Francisco. Look at him.
Yeah. Oh, he's going dookie.
He peed. Ugh, nasty little mutt.
He's not a mutt. He's an innocent dog. Besides,
He's a mutt.
he could.
All dogs are mutts.
He could.
Shut up if I hit you with this sticky Mickey. And this dude right here needs to learn how to fight.
Dude, I ignored my enemies. Good advice.
Look at him. Look at him. Cutie doggy. Look at his face. Look at his face. Yo!
And he's going dookie again.
Yo. Where we going now? Where we going, nigga? Why we gotta follow the dog for?
He does 240K likes.
400K likes?
No, like whatever he likes.
Y'all, this video get 200 likes.
Actually, get it.
Boss said 200 likes.
But
Let's get 200 likes, y'all. 200 likes.
5,000 likes.
Alright? Not no 5,000.
I guess.
200 likes, guys.